Okay, quick recap for the week of 26th January to 30th January, the week that we review back what is the market on the last week. Okay, start with S&P 500. So S&P 500 is last week, the Sunday, I have already defined for this two zone. So it's happened to be the market Monday already move and complete my first buy zone. Then second one is completed in the Wednesday. So okay, so Monday actually I don't trade this week. I rather miss the move. So for example, like it's for Monday. Monday, take a look. I think this is the here is my entry should be here. Okay, I go down to the 1 hour because the first is this is the daily high, daily rejection high and forward rejection high. So after this candle complete, quite clear sign that the market will be finishing this zone. So it's supposed to be my entry should be my entry should be either here because here is already 2300 is I already sleep for that time, so I got not trading this time because the US session I already sleep. So for example, like this is my entry for the high side. We can take a look at the high side. So after this candle close, is my entry should be like this to cover this gap. Okay, so I should be covering this gap. The easily 1:1 is around here. So is it this is the entry setup. Okay, if let's say this is the US session is my I miss. I think actually I still have a Tuesday. I still have a chance to go in. So Tuesday is here is a gap, 1 hour gap. So after 1 hour gap fully take over, it should be around this candle. So I should be my stop loss should be here. Okay, so this is for 1:1 is around here. So this is just a high side. So it's I didn't take the trade. So Monday, Tuesday I don't trade. Okay, then go back to see the Wednesday. Actually, Wednesday happened to be I'm monitoring this level, but I think the zone is too small. So by right, it should be I can be taking around this area of the trade bar. This is the Wednesday. Why I don't take this trade is because the Thursday we have the FOMC statement. So actually, is my this Wednesday is not my trading day, so I don't take that trade. So after FOMC statement, Thursday and Friday, market is really crazy and crashing. So based on this candle pattern, so market need to be a bit careful. Don't know market is no direction now. Is they want to crash or want to be stay continue up? Most likely wait and see what happening in the next week. Okay, go to next step. Okay, Nasdaq is okay. As a Sunday, I review. I only interested to trading this though. So actually, is there's a market is after 4 hour rejection high. Stay can go to the next area. But this is also tradable, but I don't trade. Then only same thing. Here is a Wednesday. Market is going into my buy zone, but I Wednesday is I'm not trading because of FOMC, so I don't take the trade. So if let's say I take the trade, is confirmed this is my lost trade. So that's why it's a before one. I mean the major news like non-farm payroll, FOMC or CPI. One day before, I refrain from the trading. I stay sideline. I don't take that trade because before major news, the market very hard to predict and the probability will be very low. So this is safe. If I take the trade, I will be lost. So this is the my this week I saved the one loss of this Nasdaq. Okay, go to Aussie 200. Okay, Aussie 200 is actually also giving me here is around here, but I don't take it because same thing because this week a lot of major news is triggering. Okay, so for example, like high side because the Monday market already moved in. I set the alarm. I think this candle going up on the Tuesday because the Monday is I my alarm is triggered but never close in the zone. Same thing Tuesday. Tuesday also I received the alert, market go into, so I wait to finish this 4 hour candle close. So by right is that this candle is 650 candle, so I'm waiting for 1050. So get 1050, then I see is the candle not close in the zone, so this is not my setup, so I don't trade. So another entry will be around here because they break this candle. This candle is break, but same thing, because this is why I refrain, is because of there got Aussie got CPI news, Aussie CPI. So I very cautious on this Wednesday CPI Aussie news. So that's why I don't take this trade. Actually, this is my entry. One go to 1 hour. So around here Wednesday. So it might be I may be under the trade, like after this is confirmed. I think once my under the trade is around here, it's confirmed will be my lost trade. So this is another trade that saved me for this week that I never enter. If let's say I enter the trade, I confirm loss. So this is because I skip this trade. Is I tell you is because of this Aussie CPI. Same thing for the previous DSMB also. Same thing because of FOMC, I don't take the trade. So this week, all those before 1 day major news, I skip the trade. I take the off day of the trading. So it saved me 2 loss. Okay, so the whole week I don't take any trade. I don't trade anything, but this is a good that I save the 2 loss. If actually I enter the trade, I will be this week I minus 2%. I down. Okay. So this is the Aussie. Same thing. Aussie is after CPI go down, then bounce back from my daily gap. But I stay monitoring because I Thursday and Friday I really want to go into this Aussie, but the market not giving me, cannot break previous high. But actually I'm monitoring this also, but not giving me a chance to enter the trade. Then after that there will be fall. I think from Friday morning all the way is I think quite a lot. So next week you have to wait and see what is market is trying to do. Is really change the bearish side or continue high. Okay, UK 100. UK 100 is Sunday I reviewed. This is my zone, but same thing. All those day, right? They only trigger the alarm, but cannot close in the zone, so I don't trade. But this one is only just a one spike, so I got no chance to enter the trade. So this is a 4 hour candle, just go spike and then come down. So my setup is I want to see at least the one candle must be close inside my zone. Then I will be lower down to my 1 hour time frame, and I look for the entry. But for this case, any of the candle is not close inside the zone, so this is not my setup. Okay, move to the gold and silver. Okay, as last Sunday I had decided that the gold and silver I don't touch because it's quite be autumn high. So I got really autumn high. I know where do I enter. So same goal is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the way they go climb to autumn high 5,600. Then the Thursday and Friday is really crash. So both I think the gold is also going down. The silver, same thing. Silver is also the more from 120 to 85. So when silver is, we have to take a look. I mean, wait and see for the next week. Or is market really crash? Then I think we add accordingly. Okay, that's all for this week.